Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 E400 4MATIC coupe. This one's in obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one does come with an illuminated star which lights up in the grille at night. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. This also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A beige black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Our E400 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Nice black wood trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system. A black wood grain steering wheel with leather. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. The rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated and cooled seats. Dual climate controls. Multi-contour seats. This E400 has 21,625 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 coupe, check out feldmannimports.com.